several former bureaucrats have come out and challenged, the former government. Now the latest is Mr. G.K. Pillai, who says that Ishrat Jahan's case had some political intervention. She was an LET terrorist, but the affidavit was changed at the behest of the political masters then.
I am shocked to hear that. The then Home Minister should answer. But the fact of the matter is that civil servants are, as per the law and the Constitution, where the civil servants get protection, are supposed to do their duty as per the law and not otherwise.
You feel he should have spoken at that time?
I will not make it personal, but it is shocking. No bureaucrat or no civil servant, particularly when it comes to such sensitive matters, should have ever. But I am not privy, so I can't comment.
Now the former Home Secretary has come out with his own version of Ishrat Jahan case. So they are alive. Let them substantiate what they are speaking, number one. Number two, let the present Home Minister respond to these two issues because he is there. The present government has all records at its command. Let the present government respond.
यूपीए सरकार ने इशरत जहां के संदर्भ में तथ्यों को दबाकर जिस तरह से एफिडेविट बदला, इशरत जहां के संदर्भ में यूपीए सरकार की पोल कल खुल गई है। इशरत जहां आतंकवादी होने के बावजूद भी इस तथ्य को छुपाकर कोर्ट में ये तथ्य पेश नहीं किया। ये कांग्रेस ने राजनीति के तहत किया, ये साफ हो गया है और इसलिए कांग्रेस को देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी को इस पर अब बोलना चाहिए कि चिदंबरम ने जो किया वो आपको बताकर ही किया होगा। आपको स्पष्टीकरण देना चाहिए कि आपने ऐसा क्यों किया। सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी को बोलना चाहिए।